I've set this land before you. Go in and possess it. This is the land I told Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob that I would give to them and their descendants thereafter. Who are those descendants? We are. And so because we are those descendants, that promise still resides with you today. If you recall, when the children of Israel took that trip from Egypt to the land that was promised to them, before they reached that finish line, they encountered giants. Those giants caused some of them to die in the wilderness. It's my job to help you make sure that you do not die in the wilderness and to conquer every giant that has stood in the way between you and your home.
We all know that we can buy a house and we all know that we can possess land, but she goes into more of the barriers that you face. So many of us think we don't qualify for credit, or that we don't make enough money, or that we don't have what it takes to actually buy a house. She really uses the scripture and gives you a strong foundation to push through what she calls those giants. And I think that this is something that you would want to take advantage of. It's so much valuable information packed into one great session.
One of the things that I loved most was feeling like I had someone that I can trust that's going to guide me through this workshop, not feeling like it's something that I'm going to have to do on my own. There were brokers there able to answer questions. We actually received all of the tools that we need. So if you're looking to purchase a home, if you're looking to buy a home for you and your family, I would encourage you to seek a workshop held by Shakeima. I can guarantee you that you won't leave disappointed.
It was so much more than learning the A, B, and C's of home buyers. It really tapped into chipping away at the mindset that will hold you from wanting to purchase a home. And she goes into so much detail scripturally, giving you your tools to get you over that hurdle. So I encourage you, do what you need to do, clear your schedule, go to that seminar. You'll get a booklet, a workbook with homework to do your homework that will give you the tools to move forward, as well as you'll be able to purchase your book. I got my autographed signed copy of Possess the Land. Shakeima Chatman is a blessing, and I encourage you again, sign up for her next seminar.
For more information on our upcoming workshops, visit us on our website at www.howtopossesstheland.com.